In another unfortunate incident of robbery committed during the ongoing conflict in the strife from torn Manipur, armed miscreants looted case worth of Rs 4,80,000 from the house of one Ningthozam Ratan, son of Ningthozam Ibocho at Khurai Lairikyengbam Leikai under Imphal East District yesterday at around 7 p.m. As per a statement given by Ningthozam Ratan while he was inside his house along with his daughter, he heard someone calling him, and when he went out, he saw two armed persons standing in his courtyard, and they charged him as to why he was doing drugs business, stating that the two armed persons barged into his house, broke open the cupboards and looted the cash that was kept inside the cupboards. He further stated that the four armed miscreants came in one blue Maruti van.
Kaino haka nungju naite wakanda nungju naite aina kaim to tawna te am to hana dima la ko laite kaim laite laitraga moina babal aga aduga mamai mi khumjelle aduga moina nongoi eki hum pare naime mem pare aduga mi udhap toroga na toroga moina sen lut to beta toroga mi ngon badnam pi du nuwa jate sen ha gadi aina toromba kana no pothoro aina porlo me ha kana pothoro ai ki de aduga mana moina da toroga lut pat to bi thak tu to bi gno ai hajini aduna mai lena ba mi ge kha thiga pi ai nuai jate amna aduna ma sama sum toroga di Manipur so chokolo ai wakan dati
Sabi bitam
na do isana pi jo moina no moina namba mina kolamina dhap toro mina isana pi to jo hospital astore khole drip kap pe khole do toro bojik pudrak tangai ri adu kai mo no si toro je khangdre ba si samai toro do ta ga amna chokatre ba Manipur je honi khoi hing bu nga mora si samai toro ga di ga moina badram siraga mi bu ta fola lo liga ka inu pothoro ha bne di mi do pothoro ha bi mi do pothoro ha to ni ayu ga ka do bu gi do ta ga ti pesa do puri no ba mona singwa am ta ga ti